Welcome to Oikos by Nife. Today, I'll guide you through how to use workloads effectively. Let's start by navigating to the sidebar and clicking on Workload. Next, click on Create Workload. Now, choose the organization you're working with. Here you can choose one from the suggestions. Or you can give your desired workload name and an endpoint name. For this demonstration, I am going with Development and then click on Create. We've successfully created our first workload. Let's create another one. Click on Create Workload. This time, let's go with Production. Click on Create to finalize. Now that we have both our workloads set up, let's deploy an application to the development workload and then merge it into production. From the sidebar, click on App, then New App. Now provide your desired app name. Select the organization. Choose Development Workload. In this demo, we will be doing image deployment. Provide your image name here. Since this image is private, I'll need to select the secret that I added earlier. You can find guidance on adding secrets in the description below. Or you can check it on our product documentation. For this application, internal port is 3000, and for the external port, let it be 80. If your project requires any environment variables, you can add them here. Feel free to configure any additional settings as needed. Once done, click on Deploy, and your app will start deploying in the default region. It got deployed successfully. Now, let's close this. Click on the app name that was just deployed. By clicking on Open App, you can review your application and identify any bugs or issues. If everything looks good, you can proceed to the next step, merging. Click on Settings. Head to Add Workload section. Here add the Production workload. This will initiate a new application deployment process for the production workload. You can close this window for now as it creates a new application that is not yet configured. Let's head back to the app from the sidebar. Here you can see the new application with a status of New in the production workload. Click on the app you want to merge. At the top left side, you'll see the workload endpoint name. Click on that, then click on Merge Workload. Select the application where you want to merge. This is the app we just created. During your next merge, this app will be in the deployed state. Now click on Merge icon. This will start the process for merging. Once the merge is successful, you can click on the Open App to check the application. You can also check its app configuration by clicking on Configuration, where you'll see the same image name deployed. Now, navigate to the App section. Here, you can see one app is in development and another is in production. Both status are active. Now, let's head to the workload. Click on the three dots in the Action column. Here, by clicking on Manage Regions, you can add other region or remove existing region. To delete an app, click on Delete and then confirm the deletion. This will remove any apps associated with this workload. That's all about workload. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us at hello@nife.io. We're always available to assist you.